Minifans know a good hot hatch when they see one, and while we didn't get the Hyundai i30N in the US, this European rocket is one of the most underrated performance cars on the planet. It's like a Cooper S that hit the gym, grew a mean streak, and still insisted on being daily drivable. Here are 5 things you probably didn't know about Hyundai's rowdy little hatchback, the i30N. Did you know the i30N was the very first N-badged Hyundai, and the car that introduced the world to Hyundai's performance arm? And they weren't playing around. Hyundai brought in Albert Biermann, the former head of BMW's M division, to lead the development. The result? A true driver's car born on the Nürburgring. Did you know the i30N was tested and tuned on the Nürburgring Nordschleife with over 10,000 kilometers of durability testing? Hyundai even built a dedicated test center at the track to make sure the car could handle real abuse. So while it may look like a commuter hatchback, it's got serious motorsport DNA. Did you know the original i30N was a manual-only hot hatch? Hyundai didn't even offer an automatic until years later, and even then, it was a dual clutch tuned for performance. The early cars were unapologetically analog, just like a proper Mini Cooper S. Did you know this hatchback comes with auto rev matching, launch control, and a multi-mode exhaust system that snaps and pops like it's trying to impress WRC fans? It's basically a track toy disguised as a commuter car, and it sounds incredible doing it. Did you know the i30N was never officially sold in North America? Instead, Hyundai gave us the Veloster N and later the Elantra N. But overseas, the i30N has become a cult favorite, especially with tuners, track day warriors, and drivers who want Civic Type R energy without the Civic badge. So no, the i30N isn't a Mini, but it checks all the boxes: hot hatch, manual gearbox, daily driver attitude, with weekend warrior edge. If you love the Mini for its playfulness and sharp handling, this is the Korean contender that deserves your respect, even if you have to admire it from afar. Hit like if you're all about global hot hatch greatness, and subscribe for more fun-to-drive finds every week.